Life seems unstoppable for those in balance. It feels like energy, focus, and confidence flow effortlessly for everyone else. But we understand it's not always that easy. When your hormones fall out of balance, everything changes. Sleepless nights, mood swings, unexplained weight gain, and hot flashes can disrupt even the brightest days. From thinning hair and skin issues to persistent fatigue, hormonal imbalances take a serious toll on your body, mood, and overall well-being. What's more, modern life isn't making it any easier. Environmental toxins, highly processed foods, and endocrine disruptors are triggering hormonal shifts earlier than ever, leaving some women experiencing perimenopause symptoms as early as their 30s, from night sweats to hot flashes. These changes can leave even the most confident women feeling overwhelmed and helpless. But you don't have to navigate it alone. Introducing Balance, a proprietary transdermal hormone solution designed to help you regain energy, enhance focus, and restore confidence. Our custom 14-ingredient formula seamlessly blends science and nature, using clinically proven and scientifically backed ingredients to support your body's natural rhythms. Designed to restore balance, this powerful blend was created to smooth the ups and downs of fluctuating hormones. No synthetic hormones, just plant-based power. What sets Balance apart is our transdermal nanoshield technology, an advanced cellular transport system. This innovation encapsulates and protects active ingredients from breaking down, delivering them directly into your cells where they're needed most. That means better absorption and maximum benefits with every use. From promoting better sleep, energy, and mood, to reducing symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats, Balance supports you in every way. It even helps with skin, hair, and weight management. Because feeling balanced should restore confidence. With its plant-based ingredients, breakthrough hormone solution, and a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's no reason to wait. Confidence and balance are just one application away. Contact the person who shared this video with you or visit healthyhome.com for more information.